Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, subtraction. In this video we are going to see regrouping tens to ones. Dear kids, did you know regrouping means? Yes, change the numbers one to another. Example, tens to ones, hundreds to tens, thousand to hundreds, like goes on. Now we are going to learn regrouping tens to ones. Sometimes when you have subtract, you may to have not enough ones. You may have to regroup 110 to 10 ones. I repeat, sometimes when you have subtract, you may to have not enough ones. You may have to regroup 110 into 10 ones. Example 25, I am going to regroup in place value chart. I have 5 ones and 2 tens, isn't it? From the 2 tens, I am going to regroup 110 plus 110. Dear kids, we know 110 means 10 ones, isn't it? In this 10 ones, I am going to combine with the 5 ones, so it's become 15 ones. Therefore, 25 regrouped equal to 110 plus 15 ones. Next, I am moving to example 1, page number 53. A television channel shows 573 programs every year. Of this, 256 were not children's programs. How many were children's programs? This question I am going to write in short form. 573 TV programs, 256 were not children's programs. Then how many were children's programs? I am going to write in horizontal form. 573 minus 256 equal to what? I am going to represent in place value chart. 573 minus 256. I am going to solve step by step. Step 1, subtract the ones. In ones place, we have 3 is minute, 6 is upper hand. It's not able to subtract 6 from 3. So we are going to regroup tens to ones. In tens place, we have 7 tens. So we are going to regroup 6 tens plus 1 ten. That 110 I am going to write into 10 ones and combine with 3 ones. It's become 13 ones. Now we can easily subtract 13 ones minus 6 ones equal to 7 ones. 7 I am going to write in ones place. Next, step 2, subtract the tens. In tens place, I have now 6 tens in minute and 5 tens in upper hand. It's possible to subtract? Yes. 6 tens minus 5 tens equal to 110. In this 110, 1 I am going to write in tens place. Next, step 3, subtract the hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 2 hundreds equal to 3 hundreds. In this 300, 3 I am going to write in 100 place. 573 minus 256 equal to 317. Thus, 317 programs were for children. One more example for regrouping tens to ones. Page number 53, exam number 2. 875 minus 346 equal to what? I am going to represent in place value chart. 875 minus 346. I am going to solve step by step. Step 1, subtract the ones. Minute I have 5, subtrahend I have 6, so can't able to subtract. So I am going to regroup tens to ones. I have in tens place 7. I am going to regroup 6 tens plus 1 10. 1 10 means 10 ones. In this 10 ones, I am going to combine with 5 ones, so it's become 15 ones. 6 tens plus 15 ones. Now minute we have in ones place 15 ones, so we able to subtract 6 from 15 ones. 15 ones minus 6 ones equal to 9 ones. 9 ones, 9 I am going to write in ones place. Next, step 2, subtract the tens. Now I have tens place 6 minus 4 equal to 2. That means 6 tens minus 4 tens equal to 2 tens. In this 2 tens, 2 I am going to write in tens place. Step 3, subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. That means 8 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equal to 5 hundreds. In this 500, 5 I am going to write in 100 place. 875 minus 346 equal to 529. Next, page number 56, exercise number 3B, question number 1E. 564 minus 138 equal to what? I am going to represent in place value chart. 564 minus 138. I am going to solve step by step. Step 1, subtract the ones. In ones place, I have 4 minute, 8 in subtrahend, so can't able to subtract 8 from 4. So I am going to regroup tens to ones. In tens place, I have 6. I am going to regroup 5 tens plus 1 10. 1 10 means 10 ones. This 10 ones I am going to combine with 4 ones, it's become 14 ones. 6 tens, 4 ones equal to 5 tens, 14 ones. Now we are able to subtract ones place. 14 minus 8 equal to 6. That means 14 ones minus 8 ones equal to 6 ones. In this 6 ones, 6 I am going to write in ones place. Step 2, subtract the tens. Now in tens place I have 5 minus 3 equal to 2. That means 5 tens minus 3 tens equal to 2 tens. In this 2 tens, 2 I am going to write in tens place. Step 3, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. That means 5 hundreds minus 100 equal to 4 hundreds. In this 400, 4 I am going to write in 100 place. 564 minus 138 equal to 426. Dear kids, I hope you all understand regrouping tens to ones. Try yourself. Pause the video. Complete in your classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.